Why are you having fun here at the Bling Bling Jam?
Because all my balloon friends are here! That's right! I'm right here!
Bling Bling Jam.
This is my first time at the Bling Bling Jam, and I'm getting to meet everybody and learn lots of cool stuff, and it's awesome!
taking a break and smoking crack.
place in the judge. I said the judge, right? Yeah. No.
Yes.
People's choice.
No judge.
Oh, good. Is Holly Hopper. And Holly Hopper gets a free registration to Bling Bling 2016. You have her come now. Awesome.
What was hers? The New Orleans.
And this one, and I'm not saying this is like different or anything like that, but this person's really, really genuine. You're all genuine. This person's genuine. I've watched how she's kind of developed and stuff in the balloon community, what she's been doing, and what? It's April Pulley. Really a good job, both of you guys, amazingly. But there was one person that did a little bit better. A good amount better. Both did really good. So you both are winners, okay? The winner is Diana Cross. So proud of Diana.
This is my bodyguard.
Please, Don, can you
We were roommates at one point in time, so.
Yeah.
This is so awesome. Remember when you wore a dress?
Yes.
Oh, hi y'all.
Hi, Eric. Hi, you want to know why I have to come to Bling Bling Jam? Because you get to see Ken Stillman. Wolves, it's Dustin Query. And Ken Stillman jammed with me. He had the honor of jamming with me, so I'm sure tonight he will write Dear Diary. Today I jammed with Martin. Yeah, that was. Yeah.
Not that way.
What's really going on?
I'll never tell.
So how come you're having fun here at the Bling Bling Jam?
Because I'm Wonder Woman. I heard there's going to be some hot men here.
Working at the event, I wanted people that probably can look across the room and see. Hi, Tony!
They think this is me. It looks nothing like me. I don't get it. How do I make it sound like we were happy that he was here? It was cool of you to hang out and teach us some stuff. I mean, really appreciate you coming down. Give me something better. Give me a line. Ostrich egg.
All right, but still.
No credit. No.
I should get credit for this design?
No.
I should get credit for this design.
No. This is one of my YouTube
pages. I should not only get credit for this design,
on my YouTube page.
I should get credit for that design also. No, because you stole that from me. No. You stole that design from me.
Look at your nozzle. Your nozzle's pointing down, mine's pointing up. Different design. I created it.
You could do the same.
What are you gonna do now?
Hey,
what are you gonna do now?
You guys should have been in the talent show.
You don't understand. What is the problem here?
She's not on my song.
That's where I'm going.
It's you then. Right in your eye. Now what are you gonna do about it, huh? What are you gonna do about it? Excuse me, pardon me. That's not funny.
Tell me why you're having fun at the Bling Bling Jam.
Did I say I was having fun? I wasn't aware of that.
It's all about
No, I'm having a blast. It's a very relaxed atmosphere. I mean, you can either attend a class, you got great teachers just like Dizzy Doc A over here, or you can just hang out in the jam room, check some of the professionals, get some opinions, get some critiques on your technique, if you're looking for that sort of thing. If you just want to jam. It's a very relaxed atmosphere. I love coming to the Bling Bling Jam.
Yeah, Denzel's making a doghouse. We're going to put Ryan in it because she didn't make it.
Okay. You don't have any? Kathy. Here we go. Mix it well, Kathy. She's doing a good job.
2946001.
Come on up.
Yes. All right. So now everything gets quiet. Yes.
He's just videoing.
So what do we got going on here?
I have no idea. I just showed up.
We wish you 30 more years of happiness and fun and laughter and good health and lots and lots of sex. Yeah.
The king of Bling. He's the king of Bling. Bling is.
Everybody! Right here!
Everybody look!
Everybody say cheeseburger!
Cheeseburger! Did somebody say burger?
Go and, yeah, go measure it and see.